Mike Pettiford here again, the GO4IT Garage. We're going to start off with the most economical car I have. This is a Mazda Protege. It has a 120 horsepower motor, I think. It's the slowest car that we have. This particular one, we have two of them. This particular one has an automatic transmission for the people that don't drive stick shifts very well. And then we also have over here, this one is pretty much identical, only this one is a stick shift. And this one has 105 thundering horses. So the only modifications to these cars are they have sticky tires and they have an exhaust system which makes them sound a little more raspy. So these, if you don't want to take your car out but you still want to get out on the track, or if you're kind of intimidated and you don't want to get a car with a lot of horsepower but you still want to learn how to drive better, the two Mazda Proteges would be perfect for you.